You'll reach a new understanding today, dear Aquarius, that will surprise you. It's an understanding about yourself and how you operate. And with this understanding, you'll be able to release a huge judgment that you've had on yourself for many years. It's almost as though you recognize, oh, this is just how I operate. Usually first what I do is question things, and I kind of go into spins, go into a bit of doubt, and then I come through. That's just how I operate. And all these years, I've been judging the part of me that operates that way. There's nothing wrong with how you operate. The beautiful part is you always end up on top anyway. You always come back on top. All the mayhem, what feels messy, you always shoot up on top. And the way that you get to observe and recognize and learn about yourself when you shoot up top is actually quite profound. I say you shoot up top because what I'm envisioning is that you're in the mess and the chaos, and it feels exhausting, and you go round and round and round and round, and that's just part of your process. And then boom, you come up on top of all the chaos and the mess, and you start to see order, and everything slows down, and you get to see things for what they really are. And that's the magic of who you are. That's how you operate. There's nothing wrong with that. I love this because, again, this harsh way of judging yourself has made you feel wrong for so many years. Imagine the part of you that feels wrong all the time. It's so heavy. Doesn't feel wrong anymore. It's like, I always come out on top. I don't know. I think it's a really cool one today.